Surfshark keeps things pretty simple with these three main tiers. You get Surfshark Starter, 1, and 1 Plus. You get the same VPN core, unlimited device connections, AES 256 encryption, WireGuard support, split tunneling, and the clean web ad blocker. The differences are all in the extras. So Starter is the bare bones VPN plan. You pay monthly, it's about $15, but the big savings come with long-term deals. A 1-year plan often works out to roughly $3 or $4 a month, which we can check right here. It's 3.19. And a 2-year plan, which is the one that they offer, comes down to as low as 1.69, honestly around $2. Sometimes with 3 bonus months thrown in. One takes the VPN Foundation and adds Surfshark's antivirus, data breach alerts, and a private search tool. That bumps the price slightly to about $3.39 a month on a 1-year deal, or around $2.50 on a 2-year term. Then there's 1 Plus, which includes everything in 1 Plus Shark's Incogni service, which automatically requests the removal of your personal data from broker sites. That one sits higher. On a 2-year deal, you're paying around 4 point something. On a 1-year deal, it's about 6 and change. So all the plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and on the service, the long-term pricing is very competitive. But here's where many users get caught: the renewal price hike. Multiple reviews on Reddit and Trustpilot are full of people surprised by how much the rate jumps after the first term, often more than doubling if you just let it auto-renew. For example, the starter plan that was about $2 a month on promo could renew to 3.12. Some users dodge this by canceling before renewal and resubscribing to grab the new customer offer again. But in terms of value, Starter on a 2-year plan is the cheapest way to get Surfshark's full VPN. 1 is worth if you want the extra security tools bundled in, and 1 Plus is for those serious about scrubbing their personal data from the web. Just keep an eye on that renewal date, because the first bill and the second one can look very different.